Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Whoever is new, welcome. I think this is gonna be my new thing. Whoever is new in my channel, welcome. Today's another cooking video, cooking with Lucy. This is my second video on my channel where I'm cooking. And if you know me, you know that I love to cook. I love to cook also different, like I will say desserts. I really do like to cook desserts. I love to eat them also. Today we're gonna cook a vegan carrot cake. I'm obsessed with carrot cake. My husband is obsessed with carrot cake. I hope you guys are obsessed with carrot cake because this one is gonna be one juicy carrot cake. There's a lot of ingredients in this carrot cake, but trust me, that time of the year when it's like winter time, this cake is like something you definitely need to cook, something you definitely have to try. Before the winter finishes, I wanted to show you guys this carrot cake. So yeah, I have nothing else to say. Enjoy the video. Let's start the cooking. So I have already prepared most of the ingredients because, as I said, there are really a lot of ingredients. All the ingredients and the amount I'm putting is going to be listed down below in the description bar. I will not in details show in the video, but everything is going to be down below in the description bar. So first we're gonna prepare the wet kind of mixture. I'm gonna mix in a bowl almond milk with 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and I will set this aside for 10 minutes while we are preparing the other stuff. So next thing we need to prepare is vegan eggs. I know it sounds weird, but there is a way to make kind of egg replacer when it comes to vegan food, vegan cakes. For that I have 2 options. One is the one you can make yourself at home. I will leave the recipe in down below. You just mix some ground chia seeds or flax seed with some water, keep it aside for 10 minutes in the refrigerator, and then it becomes this kind of mushy texture like egg, and that's when you can use as a egg replacer. I found in supermarket the actual egg replacer from Bob's Red Mill company. It is also fully vegan, and yeah, basically this one also is written like you have to combine 1 tablespoon egg replacer with 2 tablespoons water if you want to replace like 1 actual egg. And that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of the egg replacer and just top it with some water and keep it aside for 1 minute so the texture becomes thicker. So the next step is mixing all the dry ingredients, which is all the flours, all the baking powder, soda, and all the other spices. So I'm gonna mix all in one bowl. Here I have some spelt flour. And make sure you really use the spelt flour because it has that kind of sweet nutty taste, and you really want that taste in your carrot cake. So make sure you use a spelt flour. Then we're gonna put some coconut flour on this one. And let me just say, this flour smells so delicious. I mean, I'm gonna use coconut flour now all the time. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of allspice. Allspice, like Old Spice sounds like. I made my own allspice mixture. You also can make it by yourself. It's not very difficult. I will also list down below the recipe for this one. You just need to mix some cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, and also some ground cloves together, and you have the allspice. So half a teaspoon of allspice, and also half a teaspoon of sea salt. Just gonna mix this all together. Smells already like Christmas. Yummy. I'm gonna set this powder mixture aside while we are making some other wet ingredients. I'm gonna take some coconut oil. I'm gonna cannot open it. I'm gonna take some coconut oil and I'm gonna mix it and blend it together with some sugar, brown sugar, and also vanilla extract. Make sure the coconut oil is like thick, like very soft. So I'm gonna mix with the coconut oil 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I'm gonna put the almond and apple cider vinegar inside the mixture with the coconut, and also the egg replacer we're gonna add. It's like nice and thick right now, like just like egg, even thicker. Now I'm gonna add to the flour mixture the kind of egg mixture, and then we're also gonna add carrots and just mix everything together with a spoon. Now when the mixture is ready and nice and thick, I'm just gonna start the oven at 180 degrees, yeah. And we're gonna bake in 2 trays. I'm not sure how much this is gonna go inside, but we'll see. The tray size I'm using is, I'm not sure, I think it's around 2 times 8 or 2 times 7, like this. We're just gonna fill the tray with the mixture. Just press it nicely. This is not even baked yet, but it smells so delicious. I just cannot wait to eat it. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven and bake it for around 15 to 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, I'm gonna make some icing slash frosting, and for that you will need icing sugar, almond milk, coconut oil, some apple cider vinegar, and lemon juice and vanilla extract. So yeah, we're gonna just blend all together, and then we're gonna ice our cake. So this is the first layer, and we also have the second one. And what we're gonna do right now is just put a layer of icing right here on this first one. So now I put on the top the second layer like this. Don't mind my cat, like, don't pay any attention. She likes to be in the camera also, obviously today. And we're gonna put the icing right now on the top of the cake, like on the top of the second layer, and just really nicely blend it. And I'm gonna decorate with some walnuts. You can use pecan nuts, basically any nuts you want. Walnuts are like, I would say, it tastes good with the carrot cake. I really like it, so that's why I'm using it today. And yeah, that's it. This is how my carrot cake looks like. Super yummy. As you can see, it's like melting already on the sides. So before everything is melting down, I'm just gonna put it in the fridge. You wanna make it, you wanna keep it in the fridge so the icing gets like hard. And this is how it's gonna look at the end. So yeah guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I mean for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna try this vegan carrot cake, and it's absolutely my favorite cake actually right now. I've been obsessed with it ever since I tried to make it. Let me know what you would like to see for the next cooking video, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Show you guys this so
Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck.
vanilla.
Man, I just wanna go flex. Gold on my teeth and on my neck.
I'm so excited to eat it. Are you also excited to eat it? Kiki? No? No. Yeah.
Welcome if you got 'em, 'cause it's going down. All I ever wanted was you. Let's raise our glass to all the things I've lost on you. After everything I've lost on you, is that lost on you?
Why you always have to disturb me? Like, every time I'm filming in the kitchen, you just come and sit in front of the camera.
I'm sweat from head to toe. I'm wet through all my clothes. I'm fully charged, nipples are hot, ready to go.
You have no life? You have no life?
Skywalking on these haters.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Things come, there was no wake up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
You wanna come to mama? You want? No, you don't wanna. No, you don't wanna.
Got it stroke after stroke, stroke on the smoke. They tell me to quit, don't understand what I'm told.
She don't like to go in the hands. I understand her. She's like mommy. She don't like anybody to touch her. Nobody. Nobody. I absolutely love coconut water.
Love, love, love. Long as we got down with these niggas, don't love these niggas, I dust off these niggas. Do it for fun, don't take it personal.
Look so sad.